if I can have them on stage, please. Steve, this one's for you. Great. Awesome. Great job. This is a game we like to call sound effects. So Chad and Steve are going to improvise a scene. Let's get a suggestion for them. What's something dangerous, a dangerous activity that two people can do together? Motorcycling. Great. I love that. Motorcycling. Right? That's going to be your activity inspiration for the scene. And I'm going to need 2 volunteers from the audience. So just go ahead and raise your hands. I'm going to clap. Great. Great. Let's give a round of applause to begin.
Man, oh man. Another week in Sturgis. Well, thank you, ladies. I didn't even start the bike yet.
Start her up.
All right, here we go. I'm going to...
I'm so hungry.
Oh my God, this bike is possessed. Oh, I'll get it started. Here we go. Ready?
Did you not put gas in it?
I don't think. Yeah, no, I think it's out of gas. It's definitely out of gas.
Well, you can take mine.
Okay. Why don't we just take yours to the get?
Whoa!
Here. All right, get it started.
So sorry. I'm so sorry.
Warn the guy before he gets on pitch for you. Come on!
I'm so sorry.
Usually the engine keeps going. That's the whole thing. That's how you know it started.
Yeah! I took the pipe off the back.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh man.
See that rev? Yeah, I've been like,
Yeah, I love it.
I've been putting in some work.
You know, I'm gonna listen to some music. I got my portable blue box too. I'm gonna turn it on. It's my favorite song. You'll recognize it right away. Here it goes. No, sorry, hold on.